We'll guide you through how to use Trello Power-Ups to enhance your productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and navigate to the board where you want to add Power-Ups. Look for the Power-Ups button at the top of your board and click on it. This will open the Power-Ups directory where you can browse through a wide variety of available Power-Ups. You can search for specific ones using the search bar or explore different categories like automation, reporting, or communication. Once you find a Power-Up you want to use, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see a description of the Power-Up, user reviews, and sometimes a video demonstration. To add it to your board, simply click on the Add button. Some Power-Ups may require you to authorize access to your Trello account, so make sure to grant any necessary permissions. After adding a Power-Up, you can often configure it by clicking on the Settings option, usually found under the Power-Up's name in the Power-Ups menu. This is where you can customize how the Power-Up integrates with your board or set specific parameters. For example, if you're using a calendar Power-Up, you might set the start and end dates for your tasks. Keep in mind that Trello's free plan allows up to one Power-Up per board, but upgrading your plan will give you access to more Power-Ups and additional features. Once you've set up your Power-Ups, they can significantly streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, or improve communication with your team. You can always remove or change Power-Ups by going back to the Power-Ups menu and managing them there. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.